She doesn't like me scratching the top of her head, but she likes the side of her face. Well, this bull's got screwworms in his penis. It looks inflamed. In his Johnson? Yeah, it looks swelled up.
Push him through.
Okay. Hopefully we can get them all out. We got this syringe with. Yeah. Ah! Come here, girl. Got this syringe with gas in it. Oh yeah, you can see them.
Oh yeah.
Screwworms. Oof. Does not look good. Yeah, you can see them right at the entry of the hole.
Yep.
Just moving around.
Eating him.
What do you think? Maybe, probably high probability got cut on some cat's claw or
From
something?
those warts.
Oh, okay.
Warts on his penis. All right.
Yeah, the last one we had was from warts too, on her neck. Screwworms in her neck.
Ooh, he's gonna kick. Gonna start kicking like a crazy
Should I
horse.
put that other rope on his back legs?
Yeah, in a second we will. Let's let it.
Okay.
Burn him a little bit.
Hopefully some of them worms fall out.
Yeah, he'll start moving. You're all right, bud. Hey, you're all right. I know.
Now he shouldn't be able to kick us.
He'll probably come undone and kick us right in the face. We're not expecting it in the most proper time. I need to get some more gasoline.
Okay.
Ain't got no gas in it.
I wonder what people in America will use. Probably something they bought at a vet or something.
Yeah. Probably the most $60 spray.
Yeah, we should just sell maybe isopropyl alcohol and then label it just for screwworms.
Yeah.
Yeah, lost count. Like maybe 7 times. I don't know. At least 5.
The first day he got here, we did almost the first day he got here. Second day at
Screwworms.
least, we did the umbilical cord, the white one. That one is umbilical cord. That's with yours.
Oh, okay.
And we sold his mother.
Yeah. Mean mama cow.
And then the red cow and his baby. Oh, it came out. Told ya. That's alright, we get it again.
Came out his rope.
They're dying, they're coming out.
I got a comment last screwworm video that I didn't show in too much detail.
They don't want you to?
No, I didn't.
Oh, you didn't show enough detail?
I didn't get close enough.
Wasn't graphic enough, bud.
Yeah.
I want to see really what's going on. Worms inside there,
Yep.
eating him.
Yep.
Fuck them assholes. I want to see them falling out once they got liquor. They're coming right on out. Gasoline works like a charm.
Oh yeah, I see him right there. Yep, I see him squirming.
Yeah, they don't like it. Will you go around the other side and loosen that?
Yep. There he goes. Seeing if I can get a better view. Need some more light in there. It's got a blade lock on it. And you can just take your finger and open it on the bottom of it. Bunch of worms in there. Basically, we would just try to kill the worms with some gas and then pick the rest out.
The gas will kill them all. The gas, you spray it, kills the first ones on top. You pick them ones out, spray some more gas, and it'll get the ones in the back. Pick them out, spray some more gas, so they get the ones in the. You just keep going deeper and deeper and deeper until you get them all. Ones in the back don't get killed from the gas. Ones in the front do. Unless you got them the hole on the top or something. This thing's not gonna work anymore.
Oh, dang.
Don't shoot out as good.
Sprinkled for like a minute, like 20 minutes ago.
Yeah. Oh, bud. Hey. I know it burns like a motherfucker now, huh?
Nice drilling on me. All good, bud.
Oh.
Coming out.
Mm-hmm. Oh, he's gonna try to stand up. Oh. Oh boy.
We're about halfway. I don't see any squirming anymore, but
Probably some blood. We can't see him.
yeah, I'm sure they're still in there.
He's still, oh yeah, there's still blood in there.
I wonder how much inflammation.
In there. Oh yeah, lots of inflammation.
Get out of here. Ouch.
You alright?
Yeah. I got out just in time. No more screwworms. Hopefully his Johnson will function properly.
Oh yeah, it will.
Yeah.
Like that.
Use this Cyper core. I'm not sure if it's in them USA, but keeps flies away too.
Loosen that. Oh. Oh, oh, oh.